Hello, my friends. I have an unboxing for you. This is the Color Rush Studio July 2024 kit called Sweet Summer. And it came in a super sturdy box. I already took that out. And then we have this black and white tissue paper, which is so useful for art journaling. Let me put that to the side. Now, I have the main kit. I've got the acrylic kit and the paper add-on kit. And I could be calling them the wrong way. Okay, so guys, when you place your first order, you can use Shannon 10 for a discount. I will have all the links down below for you to get your hands on this kit. Also join our Facebook group. We have a sketch challenge with a twist every month that I think is super great. So it's not just a pattern paper add-on kit that I have. It's like a, guys, what do they call it? It's an add-on kit that has embellishments that are fabulous. Anywho, you'll see all the links down below. All right, so let me zoom in just a little bit. There's all kinds of fab goodies, but let's get into the paper first. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wait, I forgot. Hold on. Okay, they kind of come like in a paper pad, so I went ahead and detached them all so you didn't have to watch me like take one by one off. So our very first piece of paper is this one. It is so pretty. We've got these floral clusters. I mean, look at how pretty. And then we've got kind of a checkerboard type pattern that is white and patterned. See, it's got a little something, something going on. That's super pretty. Makes my little designer eyes go, hmm. Now this piece of paper, y'all, look at how pretty. We have got a gorgeous bit. It's like fruit and a golden looking circle. And then it's on top of a diagonal stripe. Diagonal stripe is my very favorite. I think it's gorgeous. So this paper is in that green. So pretty. Okay, super pretty. Love that. I already know what I want to do there. Oh, but wait. I think it's supposed to go this way. But if I have a horizontal stripe or if I have a regular stripe, I tend to put it going on the horizontal kind of vibe. We've got florals and fruit sitting here. It's so pretty. And there's like little bits that almost look like enamel dots. Stop it. Now I'm showing you the front side because I figure I'll show you the front and I'm hoping that we have two of each, which I haven't even checked. Okay, so this is kind of on a diagonal. There are lots of bits that you can fussy cut out of here, by the way, as well as titles, icons, all of that. So sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat, cute. Summer, let's see, life is better in flip-flops. Super cute. All right, so now we've got lots of either popsicles, ice pops, however you like to call them, where you are from. They're so cute and they're in nice little rows and they're on a white and blue background. So super fun on vault one. Ooh, now this is very interesting. Trying to see where I had the gluey bits. All right, up top. Lots of nice big floral clusters, so easy to fussy cut. And it's kind of a smudgy background. The background looks textured, but it's not. All right, okay. Ooh, man, I know I'm silly, but I get very excited. All right, so then this side, so pretty. All kinds of icons. It is a pink wood grain background. I would love that pink wood grain, just like as pink. So pretty. Little ice cream cart. We've got all like regular ice creams with little fruity bits, as well as popsicles. Cute. Oh, this is a good print. So this is almost into a mustard colored, like little scribbly hearts on a white background. Very cool. And you can like use it on a diagonal. You can mat with it. That is pretty darned awesome. Okay. I'm gonna go like that. Let me see if I can move my iPad stand. It is in the way of our perfection. Okay. So our next piece, all right, this is gorgeous. It's a plaid and it's got all kinds of those great colors that are in our collection. Oh, that's fun. Super fun. Easy to use plaids. All right, now we have got a diagonal stripe. It is in like this really deep sunset kind of an orange tone on white. Pretty. Oh, a regular stripe. I mean, we had another thing I was talking about stripes. Oh, it was the wood grain. So now we've got a stripe. It brought in that green that I love, but lots of the gorgeous colors in this collection. Again, so pretty. I'm gonna have to show you the back sides, guys, because we do have one of each in here. Is this the same as this? Oh, the double that we have. Oh, that's so smart. The double that we have, it's the same one that's right here with all the florals. And I think that's awesome because I was going to just go ahead and fussy cut this right out. So that is awesome. So here's the deal though. We have one of each of these. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the flip sides. So we have that. We already saw this. Okay, you know what I did? We do have, let's see which ones are doubles. All right, so it looks like we have doubles. I just didn't know. So we have this. Let's do sorting. That's popsicles. That's like that. Let's see what I missed. I showed you this one. See, I truly do not look through these things. And the backside of that is this one that I showed you. I don't look through this stuff till we do it together. So it's kind of like, you know, when you get a kit, you want to discover everything. So this gorgeous heart is the backside of this one. Here's that amazing wood grain with all the fruity bits. I cannot wait to play with that. And here's the flip side. So yeah, since I don't look through them, I don't even know what's going on. I just don't. Ugh. Like orangey, pumpkin orangey diagonal stripe, absolutely perfect. That's that stripe with lots of the colors from the collection. And that gorgeous row of popsicles. And then this piece right here that I couldn't be happier that we get to fussy cut. And the backside of that is its great yellow background with a nice white dot. And the white dot, it's like a little smaller than a dime. Okay, let's look at our embellishments. So gorgeous papers, great. Okay, so we get a set of thickers from Cool Girl. They are on pink foam and they have like a cardstock, foam and cardstock letter stickers. There's 139, some numerics and some punctuation. Perfect. Those are going to be a fun little mix. And then for our frazzles and ribbon, we have a pink gingham, a gorgeous lilac-y kind of pom-pom. This is a larger gingham with that gorgeous green that, I love green. Green and white, and then a pink pom-pom. I shall have to think. Then, guys, we have so many exclusives. So that's an exclusive. Ooh, what are these? These are fabric. Okay, so we have 4, some kind of poofy fabric flowers. I don't even know what these are. Let's see. Okay, so you can either have it just be purple, or you can go with this tone-on-tone gingham. And they have dimension and puff. They're such soft fabric flowers. So we have it in that color, a gorgeous kind of minty green, a butter yellow, and a perfect, I don't know, I would call it like a peachy pink. Pretty pretty. Okay. Then let's see what these are. These are ice cream cones and they're hilarious. Let me see. It's like they have pom-poms on top. Come on out, guys. So we have 3 of these. Check them out. Look at the bottoms. Oh, they're cute. And they have foofies. They are totally foofy on the top. So cute. So that's like a blue and aqua. This is like a deep, deep pink combo. Look at like the two-tone. It's like you totally want to touch these. They are so darn cute. And then we have an orchidy lilac one. It's so soft. Okay, so those are super fun. Oh, but wait. We have embellishments that are cut out for us that go with this, and I cannot wait to see what she came up with. So let's see. Let's get all of these fussy cut pieces out, or they're kiss cut. I don't know. All right, I have so far 1 flip flop. Is that a flop or a flip? We don't know. Ooh. Look at this. It's like holographic or glittery, but it's not glittery. And this one's a little shiny. So that's cool. A popsicle. We've got some ice cream cones. Those are cute. Here's another one. I've got a pair of glasses. Oh, cute. So these little bits pop out. So it looks, do you see that? Cute. A nice floral. Summer, summer, summer. Some popsicles with a different pattern going on. These are so cute. More sunglasses in a different color. And once again, those, come on, little guys. These little bits come right out. Cute. Okay, so here's a popsicle with some of those little fruit bits. Those are beautiful. Pretty, pretty, like lemony yellow flower. Life is better in flip-flops, guys. Look at that. What? Look at that for an exclusive. Sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. That is awesome. Life is better in flip-flops. Oh, there's the flip to the flop. We have that. Gorgeous floral. You guys, I know that this is a great embellishment, but you could totally fussy cut them all out. They're gorgeous. And another one. A gorgeous floral. Ooh, look at this one. Look at the blue on the bottom. Pretty, pretty artwork, guys. So that's what we have for our die cuts. You guys, this kit comes with all of these acrylics. That is amazing to me. Let's see what we have. Because I don't know. You guys, this one reads yummy and it's glittery. And it's limey green. Look at that. I know like right here, you can't tell as much, but look, it's limey and glittery for yummy. We have got a glittery orange popsicle. There is glittery orange sunglasses. Oh my word. These are cute. I wonder. Yep, that's a good way to put it. Look at that pink popsicle. Then there's a blue popsicle. Very like turquoisey aqua. And then a nice, gorgeous purple glittery popsicle. I can't. Okay, guys, this is the main kit. It is clearly my favorite kit so far that she's come up with. It's so exclusive. I cannot believe it. I think this is the only non-exclusive piece in this kit, which is amazing. And y'all, I have a feeling this is going to sell out incredibly quickly. So this is one of those, like, don't just wait because the FOMO is going to be harsh. Okay, so then the add-on kit comes with, we get goodies, by the way. It comes with papers as well. So we've seen this one, this gorgeous, oh, I'm so glad I have another one. This gorgeous bit with the fruit, and you've got the wreath and the yellowy hearts on the backside. Then we have got this gorgeous stripe that we have seen with the popsicles. I don't even know what side's my favorite. Then we have got this with all of those icons on it and a diagonal stripe. Guys, I love a diagonal stripe because I can mat a photo or a layout with it, and then I get to gut the center of it like this and use all of those center bits. So that is amazing. And then we've got this beautiful, beautiful floral with kind of like that chessboard pattern with these large icons. And I will be fussy cutting those bad boys out. And then we've got this heart, which is the backside to this one. So that is wonderful. And then this is this amazing piece of artwork full of little florals that want to be fussy cut out with a yellow and white dot. And then let's see what we get with these for exclusives. Let me get another little tray because we can see easier. Oh my word, look at these little ice creams. And they're, guys, they're fabric and puffy. Come on, fabric puffies. Fabric and puffy. These are my favorite. Are they my favorite things? That she finds these little squishy, gorgeous pieces. They look like they're like sewn or attached on together. They are gorgeous little textiles. They are. So much fun texture to be had. Then, oh, there's butterflies. So same kind of vibe in the squishy kind of fabric. But you guys, they are butterflies. I've got a peachy pink, a mint, a buttery yellow, and an orchid or a lilac. And they are squishy. So these are all exclusives, guys. This whole add-on kit is exclusive. And then, you guys, if you've been following me, you know I love to paint these. And I've been using my acrylic markers, like, often to paint them. People want me to slow down with that, so I'll make sure to do so. We have got an ice cream truck, which is hilarious. And then we've got a sunshine. We have got a flip. And there's our flop. A flip and a flip. Oh, perfect. We've got 3 different ice creams. So those will be so cute in clusters to paint them up. Like, you know, to totally match your layout. How stinking fun is that? Okay, that is beyond fun. I cannot wait to play with that. So that's our add-on kit, right? Which shows you why you need the add-on kit, because there's exclusives in there that you cannot get otherwise. And then finally, guys, there is now an acrylics kit. And look at, it's packed. It is absolutely packed. She is killing it with her custom stuff, the exclusive stuff. There's lots and lots of things in here, so I'm going to have to check it out. So come on, all the little pieces. So on some of the words, we're just going to have to wait to see what we have. The first one, it's a very nice size. It is 4 inches tall. That reads adventure. So perfect title is already done for you. But what you can do is you can take this and do, you know, like a double title or a title and a subtitle, and that would be gorgeous. Oh, this reads Beach Bum, and it's in a gorgeous minty color. And the back still has a masking on it, so take it off, leave it on, do whatever. I'll probably leave it on. Then I have Just Chill, and it's in a beautiful pink. Love that there are 2 fonts. I think it looks like so custom and so gorgeous. Ooh, we have got, wait. Here we go. I'm going to go like that because I'm running out of room already. We've got summer vibes. Summer vibes. And you can't see it as well. Guys, I have a ton of these trays from scrapbook.com. So let's go like this. Let's go like this. We have got summer vibes in baby blue. Then I've got sun. I'm almost there. I am almost there. Let me get all my letters. There we go. I've got all of my letters, and it reads Sun Kissed. Let me get it out. Putting it together for you guys because it's so pretty. Look at that, an orchid. That's gorgeous. And then we've got some florals. I love when you have little bits with your acrylics, because, like, let's say you have like an acrylic title. I like to have the other little bits on the page as well, so that the acrylics can all hang out and be, you know, pals. We've got some pretty little leaves to go with that. Oh, 3 of those too. Oh, I love when things come in 3s. And then 3 popsicles, ice pops, popsicles, ice creams, whatever you want to call them. So guys, take a look at this. This is the acrylic kit, and that is pretty darn huge. That is a massive acrylic kit. So guys, that's what I have for you today. I am going to start fussy cutting and painting and doing all of those things with my gorgeous goodies. Like, guys, the main kit had all of these acrylics. Seriously. Okay. And I'm going to play with this big old exclusive kit, guys. So stay tuned. The next 3 Mondays, next 2 Mondays, I will have layouts with this kit. And what else do I tell you? Oh, links down below, all that kind of things. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.